CLIVE, the Apprenticeships Manager for the University of Oxford. Apprenticeships have enabled us to recruit from all sorts of areas around Oxfordshire, giving young people the opportunity to join the university who may not have had it in the past.
My name's TAYA and I'm a business admin apprentice working at the University of Oxford. I've been so grateful for all of the support that I've had from the very start of my apprenticeship, from Abingdon Witney College, from the University of Oxford Apprenticeships people, and also my work team as well.
Part of being a degree apprentice at Abingdon Witney College is the fact that the teaching there is really great, and this is shown obviously through Abingdon Witney College being one of the great apprenticeship providers in the UK. And one of the main things about being a degree apprentice is you really get to apply that theory you learn in the classroom environment into practice in your employer. So of course our lectures take place at the college, which is once a week, but our university degree is offered to us by Oxford Brookes University. So with this we're able to gain fantastic access to the amazing resources Oxford Brookes University provide. They have one of the most modern campuses and loads of resources that are really valuable for us.